Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to delete your PayPal account. So first is you have to open your web browser or PayPal application and type out paypal.com if you're using your web browser and then log into your account. So now that you're here, just have to click on the settings icon at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you can see the options where it says close account. So this one, so you just have to click on this option, and once you're here, you just have to read this important note. So once your account is closed, you won't be able to use this PayPal account or see past transactions. It can't be reopened. And if you'd like to delete your data before closing your account, you can click on this option. Then once you're done, just have to click on close account at the bottom. And then you'll be able to see this note. So your account is now closed. So if you'd like to use PayPal in the future, you can sign up for a new account. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.